Hi there, gorgeous! Hope you're having a fabulous day. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I make videos like this every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So if you'd like to be notified of new content like this in the future, please subscribe, hit that bell, and thank you if you do. Today I'm sharing my top favorite beauty tools with you. This is a very common question I get asked a lot, specifically when it comes to hair. But I'll also be sharing some tools with you in my beauty routine that I have come to know and love and rely on behind the camera. Very special thank you, by the way, goes out to Schick Hydro Silk for sponsoring this video, and theirs is the first product that I would like to share with you. It is utterly fabulous. And it fits into this cute little bag. It's one of those game-changing products. So what is it? It is their Hydro Silk Perfect Finish. It is a multi-purpose, all-in-one trimmer that does a variety of different things. When you get this, you'll notice that it has one handle, 5 attachments, it comes with that little beauty bag I showed you, a cleaning brush, and a touch-up razor. What I love the most about this little tool is its multi-purposing capabilities. You can use this on the face, the underarms, and the bikini area. The best part about this is you can use it wet or dry, and that's what I love the most, is that I noticed I had a lot less razor bumps when I used the bikini trimmer, if any at all, even when I used it dry, which is typically not the case, and you know that if you've ever dry razored yourself. Oof. There's this little attachment for the brows that makes precise trimming a quick and easy process. I'll show you up close here what it does to the brows. I did let mine grow out a little bit this time before showing you this tool on camera, so hopefully you can see how it trims so precisely. There are 2 trimming sizes for the brows. You have a 2mm option and a 4mm option, and you want to run the device against the direction of the hair growth for the best results. You don't need much pressure at all. It is so quick, swift, easy to use, and creates beautiful results. And let's face it, if you're someone whose facial hair grows rather fast or your eyebrows get unruly quicker than you would like for them to, this is a great tool to have on hand, especially when you're sitting in the middle of a pandemic and you cannot get to a salon. I know that's right. I mean, my husband asked me to give him a haircut the other day. I was like, no, 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 no. But I can trim your eyebrows. And the facial hair attachment is really easy and nice to use also. You don't really feel anything happening on your skin as you're using it. The device gets a little warm, so you will feel some of that warmth on your face, but according to the directions, it's completely normal. But what you do feel afterwards is smooth, soft skin and no hair. No hair in sight. They also include this little touch-up razor, which makes cleaning up in between sessions really quick and easy, and a little brush also that you can use to brush your hair out of the fine-tooth razors, especially that precise brow trimming attachment. So if you've been looking for a product like the Schick Hydro Silk Perfect Finish, I will have it linked for you below in the description box. You can purchase it directly from Amazon, which is excellent right now. I mean, we've been buying everything from Amazon, so we don't have to leave the house as much as possible. But in the future, you can also purchase it in your local CVS store. And I guarantee you, you will fall in love with it, and it will become one of those integral beauty tools in your routine. Another beauty tool that I have had for many years, and I've talked about it in a lot of videos past, and I'm going to reiterate it here again for those who've already seen it before. I'm sorry. I just love it. Comes from Conair, and that is their Spin Brush Pro. I have had 2 of these. This is the one I mentioned in the beginning of the video that I had to replace at one point, but it comes with a 3-year warranty, if I'm not mistaken, and the first one I had gave up before the 3-year warranty, and Conair, I love Conair, they replaced it for free for me. So this one has been going, oh gosh, I want to say for well over 3, if not almost 4 years at this point. If your arms get tired or they go numb from holding a brush and a blow dryer at the same time, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You will love this tool. Not only that, it gives you very smooth, frizz-free results. It's one that I cannot be without. When I blow my hair out straight, 9 times out of 10, actually let's say 10 times out of 10, I have used this tool. Another tool I have come to rely on and love are these little mini face scrubbers. I found these on Amazon. I was looking for a more affordable product to the Foreo, I think that's what it's called. It's that little scrubbing device. I think it vibrates and does all kinds of fancy stuff. Well, I didn't want to spend the money on that, but I wanted something similar. And I love my e.l.f. facial massager also. That's another great one. But these little scrubby doodads they fit into your hands perfectly. They don't irritate sensitive skin. They slough off all the dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling super smooth afterwards. And I'm still amazed by the price of these. So when you read the reviews on them, that was the first thing I did when I saw these on Amazon. Believe every single one, because they have become such an important part of my cleansing routine at night. I just love them. Another tool that I've talked about in the past that I'll reiterate here again for those who are not aware is my eyelash curler. Now this one, a little more expensive, especially when we're talking about eyelash curlers here. I had forgotten how expensive this one was, but it's really good though. It's really good. This is from Surratt and it's $30. I'm telling you what, the reason why I love it so much is because it's big. It's much bigger than your traditional drugstore eyelash curler. So if you have big eyes or you tend to wear big false eyelashes, you may have noticed that the regular eyelash curlers can be somewhat difficult to get around your lashes or around your eye shape. And this one does all of that and more. I mean, it's great for those with big eyes. It's great for those who wear big lashes, and it creates the most beautiful curl in your lashes. You don't have to heat it up because it works just as if you had already heated it up. It's one that I love. And when I left it at a friend's house a long while back, it took me a little while to get it back from her. I bought a second one because I just couldn't be without it. I had to have it. And yeah, no regrets. Now I have two. I couldn't be happier. Another tool that I love, and this is nothing special, it's really not, I just happen to really, really love this one, is a hair tool that I use to make my hair look like this. I quite often get asked how I style it like this. And if you're interested in seeing the full tutorial, I will have it linked for you below. But the tool that I use comes from a brand called GVP. You can find this in Sally Beauty stores. I don't know if they still make this particular wand or not. I highly doubt it because they turn their inventory so quickly all the time. But if you can find it there, it is a great tool. I want to say it is a 1.5 inch iron, if I'm not mistaken. I also have another one from the Remington brand that I found at Ulta many years ago. Still have it. It still works beautifully. Still love it. And I'll have that one linked below also in case you can't find this one. But any curling wand that is shaped like this, that's how I get my hair to look like this. And I love using them. They're wonderful. You can get burned very easily, so you got to be a little more careful with them, but the results speak for themselves. And the last tool that I have come to rely on, can't live without, and would recommend to you in a heartbeat, comes from Ardell, and that is their Eyelash Applicator. Now, I usually apply my eyelashes with my fingers. I always have, just felt comfortable that way. Didn't learn it any other way but that. However, when I discovered this lash applicator and how easy it made popping those lashes right on, it became a no-brainer, and it's been one that I've relied on ever since. So I would say that if you struggle to hold the lash with your fingers or you struggle with the precise placement of it, this is a game changer. It does help to eliminate a lot of the guesswork. It makes holding the lash a lot easier. You're not prone to dropping it. I can't tell you how many lashes I have found in my hair. If you are interested in any of the products I shared with you in today's video, I'll have all of them listed and linked for you below in the description box. And let me know below, what are some of your favorite beauty tools? Are there any that are so important to your routine you could never be without? Let me know below. Thank you for taking the time to watch. I really appreciate your support. I look forward to seeing you again next time.